unbox my new tripod with me. Now I've been struggling creating content, especially at home or even when I move, because I lost my 250,000 tripod on 15th when we had gone to Entebbe to celebrate our Valentine.
Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow. Now,
this simple tripod you're seeing here is suitable for action camera. It has a detachable remote that you're going to see mumasawo. It has a stable bracket, obobu stand, obuli stable atenga bugomo. It is also good for handhelding shooting.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
Some of the parameters you should be knowing about this tripod. It is a KT 239 model. It has an aluminium material. It weighs 310 grams. It means you can even travel with it anywhere. In a bag, you can even put it in your bag and travel with it. The length, it is 175 centimeters, meaning it is really long. It can work for you. Now it also comes with a remote battery, so battery weweddeko omuliro osobola okuteekamu of course ka battery akapya. It is good, it is stable, it is nice. Actually I chose that color. I chose black because why not? So this is the remote that came with it, and I have other remotes actually from my previous tripods, and then yeah, I bought some remotes back then. They are all working, so I'm not worried even when I'm shooting, or maybe I leave this one that came with the tripod. Now I'm so happy that I got this because yeah, you've been asking for this content, and I'm soon resuming to YouTube. So if you're my YouTube subscriber, stay tuned, go on my YouTube and subscribe.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Naguze engatto y'emitwalo 3. It's a high heel. It looked nice and I saw people buying them so much, and I don't know. That is not usually me buying things that are trending, but I don't know why it inspired me to buy this. So unbox with me. Now this shoe really looks nice upon looking at it, but when I checked it, actually when I reached home, because I did not have time to wear it, try it on and all that, yeah, it was 30,000 and I was like, let me try it. Now literally that is not me buying such colors or such things at such a price, but currently we are living within the budget. And I've also actually come to realize that but my worry is this thing is light. This shoe is nice, but it is light. Now I don't know when I'm going to wear this shoe, because literally I'm just trying, I'm learning in the kuyigo kwambala colors or loving other colors apart from nudes. But that is what I got at 30,000. 30,000 mitwalo esatu eja Uganda. I wear size 40. Every time we njogera size young, sometimes I feel like I'm an elephant. Like, why would someone wear 40? Huh? So this is the shoe that I bought at 30,000. Yeah, bei ya kisuubuzi. But again osobola ogisanga ne bagamba emitwalo 6 ku mitwalo 5 kitundu. So I got it at 30,000, and it is called Gaio. I think the brand is called Gaio. And yeah, that is how it looks like. You tell me guys, what do you think about this? Because I'm currently worried, what if I wear it on my first day and then it breaks in the public? So that means every time I wear this shoe, I don't know why I'm scared, but I think every time I have to be with my crap with all sandals in all slippers in my purse, because but anyways, I love the color, and unfortunately I've not been wearing such colors. I've been doing nudes, black and white and all that, but I think I'm going to try to incorporate other colors, because yeah, have become basic. So that is how it looks like. It is added in my collection. It is the cheapest, but I think it is nice. So if I get something that is closely similar to this, I love such shoes a lot, like such designs because they are comfortable and I don't want to overthink before I wear something. I feel like I bought a bigger size, but yeah, that is it. So what do you think, guys, about it? Tell me what you think about it. I'm literally currently recording with my tripod, my new tripod, and it is doing wonders. For the lights, I'm sorted. Yeah, that is it. Bye.